Hey everybody, I am here at Barrington, which is right off of 10th Street, very close to campus, very close to the new hospital, near Pete Ellis Drive, kind of in that area. These are condos and they're a bit of a unique setup, so I want to take you through and show you everything. There is a common doorway here into an inner hallway. That door is secured. You have to use a code to get into it. This unit is a top floor unit, but the windows are on the back side. And then there is an attached garage. I'm going to show you from the inside, but that is the garage that goes with this unit. So you can get to the garage from your unit without putting shoes on. As I like to say, you can go through the Taco Bell drive-thru and not have to put shoes on. But it is through a hallway, kind of an inner hallway, if that makes sense. But I love this unit. There is one level of stairs up, and then you've got vaulted ceilings up on the top floor, a balcony out back, kind of up in the trees. So really lovely, and it's big. It's like 1,400 square feet. It's a really nice size unit, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So come on inside and take a look. So just for reference, this is the staircase up to the unit, which is kind of right at the top of the stairs. There's another staircase down, so there is a lower level too that is partially below ground. So it is 3 levels, and this unit is on the top level, but it's only 1 staircase up. So here I am at the top of the stairs, and this is the unit. I want to show you there is a back staircase that leads you right down to your door to your garage. So this is where you would go to get your Taco Bell drive-through. And here we go. This is a super fun unit. You can get really distracted by all the cool decor, but here's sort of an overview. Open floor plan. There is a coat closet right here on the entrance. Great spot to leave your shoes and jackets. So obviously a nice sized dining area. They've got a table and some extra chairs. Into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. There could be room for a little table there if you wanted, but this is a pantry here. All the appliances are included. And then I love these windows because I just think they add to the openness. Can you imagine if it was closed, it would feel really tight. And then this is the living space. Really nice size. There's a door to the balcony. And then over here, we've got a bedroom, bathroom, and laundry room. And then there's 2 other bedrooms down this way. So a bit of a split floor plan. So I'll stick our heads in here. This is the craft room. So there's a lot going on in this room, but it's a nice size. It does have its own closet. I think it'd be a great office, but it could be a 3rd bedroom if you needed that as well. All the floors have been updated. It's been really nicely maintained. This bedroom is great. It's large. This is a king size bed, and it's a big king size bed, and you've got plenty of room on either side. Look, there's a chair and a nightstand and a bed and a nightstand and a chair. So it's a big room. Vaulted ceilings. And there's another door out to the balcony. And then this is the luxury. It's just a really nice, spacious bathroom with some updates, some custom tile updates. So you've got a double vanity, you've got a soaking tub, got a walk-in closet, and you have a separate shower, which is a nice size shower. A lot of times you get like a soaking tub, but then your shower is teeny tiny, but this is a nice size shower as well. And I love that it's got this door here for privacy for the commode and for the shower so that multiple people can be using it. You can get to the closet if someone's taking a shower. Floors have been updated in here as well. Ceiling fans. Vaulted ceiling in here as well, so you get these tall ceilings when you're up here, and then notice ceiling fans everywhere you look. And then this is the 3rd bedroom, which is a nice size as well. I think this is a full bed, just for some perspective. And I like that the bedrooms are, on this back side. You feel like you've got some privacy. You're pretty high up. I don't know how well you can see like through the window, and we will go out on the balcony, but you're kind of up in the treetops almost, which is cool. This is a double closet. And then you've got a full bath here with a tub, very deep tub. And then you've got laundry room right here and the mechanicals. But you've got some good room for storage here, as well as, don't forget, you've got that big garage downstairs. Right now they're storing things in it because they're preparing to move. So you can see how many boxes you can fit in it. All right, and then let's go outside on the back patio deck, I guess. It's sunny. I can't see what I'm showing you. But it's nice. It's a very long, between the two bedrooms. And again, you're kind of up high, so you've got room for a table and chairs. But you've got some decent privacy. The units directly to your left are set back, so you don't see those people. And there are no units to your right. So you are out here and no one can really see you very well. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. All right, I'm gonna show you the garage. Okay, so down this back staircase to Unit 305 garage, it is 27 steps, I counted. Now I'm 5'5", 5'6" on a good day, so 27 steps if you're 5'6". So again, it's full. There's an automatic garage door opener, but plenty of room for a vehicle and a good amount of storage too. I mean, your car would probably stop at the front of that blue tarp and then you'd still have all of this space as well. So, and you can tell we're on the east side because you can hear the train. And I just wanted to show you a little bit more of the outside. You can see that it's really maintained nicely. Mulch and flower beds. This is the keypad that you use to get, you obviously would have a key as well, but if you had visitors or guests, they can ring you up via that keypad, so secure entry. The garages, and then there's plenty of visitor parking over here as well. Some of the garages out here are detached where you actually have to walk outside to get to the garage. But again, this unit, it is attached, and it is the third one over right there. Show you the neighborhood. It's not very large, it just kind of goes back around the corner a little bit, so not very big at all, but this is the first building. 3707 Barrington, Unit 305.